now comes the difficult part, because if we make a mistake, we have to repeat everything from the beginning. So we have to look at the top, the yellow, and we have to find a shape like a small L, like this one, oriented in a way that this is on the top and this is on the left. If it's not like this, we take a random side and we play an algorithm. This time is a little bit different, which is the same algorithm that we play now that we found this. So if it's like this, we play it from this side. If it's not like this, we play it from a random side. So the algorithm goes like this. We rotate right like this, algorithm with the right hand, and then we rotate it back like this. And this makes this horizontal stripe of yellow. If it's not like this, we repeat it. Now it's like this. We continue again, this, right hand, and back. And now we reach the situation where we have a yellow cross and all the rest is correct.